That fresh-cut grass smell you love? It's literally a plant screaming for help. The second a blade gets sliced, it blasts out a chemical distress signal. Scientists call it green leaf volatiles. The instant a blade tears, it releases a burst of compounds like cis-3-hexanol. That's not freshness, that's a chemical alarm shouted into the air. It's not just noise. Nearby grass blades sense the signal and prep their own defenses before they're even cut. The scent can even summon parasitic wasps to hunt the insects attacking the lawn. Those same chemicals double as first aid. They're antimicrobial, sealing the wound and fighting infection while the blade heals. Grass is literally screaming and stitching itself up at once. Here's what makes it even crazier. We love that smell so much, we bottled it. Cis-3-hexanol is the exact chemical inside fresh-cut grass candles and perfumes. We pay money to smell a plant's SOS. Which fact surprised you most? Comment below. Follow Sikho for more. Visit Sikho.ai.